Welcome to our video on the 10 must-have self-defense gadgets. From powerful electronic defense gadgets to the best disguised self-defense tools, we have it all. Stay tuned to learn about the coolest and craziest self-defense gadgets that will help keep you safe in any situation. Number 10. Blade Cyclone. Are you looking for a self-defense gadget that not only keeps you safe, but also makes you look like a ninja warrior? Look no further than the Blade Cyclone. This powerful self-defense gadget fits perfectly in your pocket, but with just a flick of the wrist, you can reveal 3 sharp blades that are perfect for throwing. With a bit of practice, you can become an accurate ninja-like warrior, capable of defending yourself from attackers. And at only $14, it's a steal. So why not add the Blade Cyclone to your collection of cool self-defense tools and stay safe while looking like a total badass? Number 9. Silver Leaf Knife Pendant. Have you ever thought about turning your fashion accessories into self-defense tools? Look no further than the Silver Leaf Knife Pendant. This necklace not only adds a touch of style to your outfit, but it also contains a cleverly hidden knife that can potentially save your life in a dangerous situation. With a 4-inch blade, it's large enough to be a powerful self-defense gadget, yet compact enough to not be a burden to carry. The stainless steel chain also allows for distance between you and your attacker. And when you're not using it, the knife can be easily and quickly folded back into the pendant. Stay stylish and safe with the Silver Leaf Knife Pendant, available now for purchase as one of the coolest self-defense tools on the market. Number 8. Credit Card Folding Knife. Have you ever wished you had a reliable weapon on you in case of an emergency? The Credit Card Folding Knife may be just what you need. This powerful self-defense gadget looks like an ordinary credit card, but it can be quickly unfolded into a sharp and effective knife. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's perfect for close quarters combat or as a last resort in a dangerous situation. The best part? You can carry it in your wallet without anyone even knowing. The credit card folding knife may not be the cheapest option on the market, but at around $20, it's definitely worth the investment for your personal safety. Number 7. Go Guarded Ring. Have you ever thought about how quickly you can access your self-defense gadget when it's needed the most? Well, with the Go Guarded Ring, you don't have to worry about that anymore. This ring is not just a regular ring that adds style to your outfit. It's a powerful self-defense gadget that can save your life in dangerous situations. The ring has a sharp and durable knife at the top that can easily penetrate anything in your way, making it the perfect tool to protect yourself. The best part? The ring is always deployed, so you don't need to worry about pulling out a weapon in a hurry. It's adjustable to fit any finger size and comes in a variety of colors to fit your style. Protect yourself with the Go Guarded Ring, one of the coolest and most effective self-defense gadgets out there. Number 6. MP Bodyguard. Are you in search of a compact and efficient self-defense tool? Look no further than the Smith & Wesson MP Bodyguard 380. This lightweight and compact semi-automatic pistol is perfect for concealed carry, making it an ideal option for those who want to stay prepared for any situation. With a barrel measuring only 2.75 inches, this pistol is small and easily concealable, fitting inside your pockets. The whole pistol is less than an inch thick, and the price for peace of mind is $359.99. Invest in your personal safety with the Smith & Wesson MP Bodyguard 380. Number 5. StrikePen. Have you ever felt like you could be in danger in your everyday life? It's a scary thought, but unfortunately, it's a reality for many people. That's why having self-defense gadgets can give you peace of mind and keep you safe in dangerous situations. One of the coolest and most effective self-defense tools out there is the StrikePen. This powerful and discreet tool is perfect for anyone who wants to be prepared for any situation. It's a pen that doubles as a self-defense weapon, with a sharp tip that can break glass and an aluminum body that can be used as a striking tool. Plus, it writes like a dream. Don't underestimate the power of a good pen. Get yourself a StrikePen today. Number 4. Black Knuckle Tactical Knife. Are you in search of a powerful self-defense gadget that can also be used for everyday tasks? Look no further than the Black Knuckle Tactical Knife. This versatile tool combines a spring-assisted knife with a handle that doubles as a knuckle duster, giving you added protection in dangerous situations. With just a press of a button, the blade is released and ready for action. And the best part? This cool self-defense tool won't break the bank, with prices around $30. Don't compromise on your personal safety. Invest in the Black Knuckle Tactical Knife today. Number 3. Monkey Fist. Are you looking for a self-defense tool that won't raise any suspicion? Look no further than the Monkey Fist. At first glance, it may seem like just a rope ball, but this seemingly harmless gadget is actually a powerful weapon. The ball at the front of the rope can cause serious damage to an attacker, leaving them incapacitated and unable to harm you. But that's not all. The rope can also be disassembled and used for a variety of purposes, including climbing and tying up an attacker. And since it's compact and easy to carry, you could take it with you wherever you go. So don't let its innocent appearance fool you. The Monkey Fist is a secret self-defense gadget that you need to have in your arsenal. Number 2. KarateMart Hidden Knife Bracelet. Looking for survival gadgets that are both practical and stylish? Look no further than the KarateMart Hidden Knife Bracelet. This high-quality paracord bracelet is a must-have for anyone who loves the outdoors or wants to be prepared for any situation. With a small, sharp blade hidden inside, you'll always have a reliable knife at your disposal. Simply unravel the bracelet to reveal the 2.75-inch stainless steel blade. But the KarateMart Hidden Knife Bracelet isn't just a self-defense gadget, it's also a survival tool. The paracord can be used for everything from building a shelter to starting a fire. And at just $16.99, it's an affordable addition to your survival kit. So whether you're camping, hiking, or just want to be prepared for anything, this cool self-defense tool is a must-have. Number 1. Zahal Hybrid Expandable Baton. Looking for a self-defense tool that's both portable and powerful? Look no further than the Zahal Hybrid Expandable Baton. Made from reinforced steel, this expandable baton can take a beating and still be ready to go. When closed, it's small enough to fit in your pocket, but when expanded, it becomes a 21-inch stick of absolute doom. This baton is so durable, you could run a truck over it, and it wouldn't even scratch. With its length, it's perfect for staying away from your opponent while still being able to deal some serious damage. It's a non-lethal option that can still break bones and keep you safe in dangerous situations. Thanks for watching. Which self-defense gadget caught your attention? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting gadget videos. Stay safe and empowered.